This is the 2017 Chevy Impala, and we have an evaporation coat for the Evap system. Let me show you the code. The code would be here. Okay, it has a lot of codes because I disconnected this, so just don't mind all the other codes. The only code that I got first is this one, P0442, and it says that Evap small leak. So to find out what's the problem with this car, let me show you right here. I have my smoke machine, snap-on smoke machine, hooked up to the tank, and right now I'm gonna turn it on. It's gonna put smoke in the car, and I have to close the ventilation valve for this car, and I already found the issue. I just want to show you. We're gonna close it. It's closed, and we're gonna see the fuel tank pressure build up. There we go. It's building up slowly, and usually on these cars what fails is the purge valve. So as you can see right here, the purge valve it's stuck open and it's connected. Even if I disconnect the valve, the problem still exists. So this is very common on a lot of Chevy trucks and Chevy cars. The valve just fails with time and it's not really accurate. So this is the problem with this car. With the future, it can trigger a system to reach code, which is not good. It puts problems in the performance valves, in the fuel economy, as you can see right here. That's not good. So we're gonna replace the valve, and I would recheck it to make sure the problem is fixed. Alright guys, so I already got the valve, and right now I'm gonna show you. This is the new one, and that one's good. This one's the bad one. So I have my smoke machine right here, and I'm gonna put a smoke through here, so you can see that the smoke is gonna go out, and it's not supposed to go out to the end, to this valve, because the engine is doing vacuum all the time here, so it's suctioning the fumes from the Evap system on this port. So as you can, and you're gonna see in a little bit how this valve, it's, as you can see, the smoke right there. So this valve is not good, it's stuck open, and now I'm gonna use the other one to show you. Alright, it's already there, and the pressure should drop like that. So as you can see, pressure is 0, and we confirm our problem for that code. This is the problem, and if you want to order the valve online, this is the correct part number, 126-90512. That's the part number for this car. So this is how you fix the problem on this 2017 Chevy Impala with the V6 engine. And if you have any questions how to remove it, you just have to take off the throttle body boot, and the hose has a clip on it. You just press it down like this and pull it, and the connector to disconnect it is really easy. Just press this tab and pull it towards you, and it's gonna come up easy. You just have to remove the 10mm bolt holding it, and you'll be good to go once you install it. And go for a test drive, make sure the light doesn't come on again. Alright guys, thanks for watching, hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and see you next time. Bye.